Oh, I gotta share this one. This is one I just found, and look at this car. All right, let me go ahead and give out the basics here. It's 2017 Infiniti QX50. It's got that 3.7 liter engine. It's located in California, Hayward to be exact. It is vandalism. 58,000 miles. Looks like Farmers Insurance is the seller. Secondary damage is biohazard chemical, and I'll show you why exactly. Starting bid is, or current bid is $1,150. All right, so let's look at this. So the estimated car value is $25,360. Of course, in its current condition, yeah, it's not worth much. Let's look and see what happened. All right, biohazard stickers everywhere. What the fuck is going on? Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this. Bullet holes, man. Bang, bang, bang. From this angle. Makes me wonder if biohazard means there's blood. I feel bad for the person who was involved in this. God bless them. Okay. All right. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh. Hope we don't see anything gory. Looks like the trimming was taken off on the front driver door. I have speculations. Or I have a theory why it was taken out. Look, there's bags. Trash bag covered. I don't know what this is. You guys tell me. The driver's seat, I believe, is covered in a trash bag. I'm not sure if there's any bodily fluids that was on it. Possibly why there's a trash bag. I can only assume, and I want to say it's a good guess. Let's keep going down. Engine still good. 58,000 miles, and bang, 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 bang. Shit. This person got fucked up. My heart goes out to them, but damn, man, what happened? Makes you wonder, was somebody was in the car? Was his I want to say it's a road rage, man. Somebody got pissed off. Maybe this person cut him off. The other person, I mean, just going back and forth, talking shit, and motherfucker brought a gun out and just bang, bang, bang. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think of. Oof. It just makes you wonder. Hopefully there's no kids in there. I mean, there's no car seats back here. Wow. Well, I thought I share this one with you guys. Hopefully this wasn't too gory. I mean, there's really nothing you can see on there, but just imagining what makes your mind imagine like what happened that day. And wow, I mean, I don't know who would want to buy it. Well, they could. I mean, they just got a few things that they need to repair. It's got low miles. Definitely has to wear a bio suit to take all the things out and make sure everything is properly clean, and use some enzymes to take out the bodily fluids in there, if any. Yeah, it's a big project, but I believe it's profitable for anybody that wants to get into this. Yeah. All right, on to the next.